This will be part 3 of our PyTorch tutorial for beginners, and in this part we are going to download the test dataset. I'm sure you are smart enough to have figured out how to download the test dataset. It follows the same pattern as we downloaded the training dataset, and we're simply going to call it test dataset, or let's call it test data is equal to dataset. Actually, to save time, I'm going to just copy this and paste it and then change to test data sets. So I'm going to change it to test data. It's going to be test data set, fashion mlist root is equal to data. Now the train is going to be false. Okay, the train is going to be false, and this is the only change you need to do to have a test data set. So I'm going to run this and it downloads the test data set. So we have the training data and we also have the test data. You can actually, out of curiosity, take a look at what it is. It's going to simply give us the data set definition. And I forgot to mention we have this 10,000 against 60,000. So it's going to be 70,000 data points where we have 10,000 of them for test and 60,000 for training. Okay, so we have our data downloaded. You may want to see the content of this data, because we say this is image data set. So you want to see the image contained in this data set. This is what we are going to be doing in the next part. In part 4, we are going to view the images in this data set. I would like to stop here. Thank you for viewing. Please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next part.